program. And throughout the week, we've, in our classes, have been discussing the question in many different ways, what does Torah mean to me? So, Ms. Cass is going to explain what we're going to do. We have your mishpachot names on around the room, different boards. There's one mishpacha. Once everyone else is gone, it's going to meet in the middle, and I'll put that there. We'll tell you in a minute. But Ms. Cass is going to explain what we're going to do.
Okay, when I call your mishpacha names, you will congregate around the poster with your family name, and there you will discuss amongst your family members, what is it that the Torah means to you, to get your mind and your thoughts ready to hear from our panelists, who will be answering the same question. One of the 7th or 8th graders in your mishpacha will be given a marker by Rabbi Bauman, and that student will have the chance to write down on the white paper, not on the wall, on the white paper, what some of your thoughtful answers are. Is this a time to make a joke out of it? Just wondering. No, this is a time to be thoughtful and serious, and I think you all know how to do that. So if you are in the Baumdiggity family, please head over to Baumdiggity. If you are in the Smiths family, and staff, you could join them as well. Thank you.